Welcome to all once again. Today we are going to take triangles. We know what is a triangle. Triangle is a closed figure intersecting by three lines, and also it has three vertices, three angles as well as three sides. And also you are familiar with congruent figures also, isn't it? Okay, here we are going to discuss about congruent figures. Let's see some pictures. In this picture, there are two biscuits and some letter pad sheets. What is the specialty there? Biscuits and letter pad sheets. Okay, both of these have same size and same shape, isn't it? Let's see these figures. Four figures are given. Now go through these pictures. What do you recognized? First three pictures are same shape only, isn't it? What about their size? Are they same? No. But in the case of figure 4, both size and shape are same. Now see these two planes. These two planes are same size as well as same shape. Okay. Using this concept, let's see the definition of congruence, especially for triangles. Congruent triangles means triangles having both same size and shape that we learned. Now listen some more figures. Here there are 6 figures given. So from the figure we can easily understand what second figure, third figure, fifth figure and sixth figure are not congruent. Now we are going to discuss about how to identify the corresponding sides as well as corresponding angles of any two given congruent triangles. Let's see, we have two figures and the red color side determines the corresponding sides. Okay, that is BC side corresponds to the side IJ. It's clear? Now listen this figure. Two angles are red in color. That means angle A corresponds to the angle X. That means angle A and angle X are equal. Okay. Next I am going to explain how to name any two congruent triangles. Here listen, order is very important. Look at the figure. We have two triangles ABC as well as DF. Okay. First you have to write what are their corresponding sides as well as angles. Look at the figure. Corresponding sides are, listen, AB corresponds to EF. Okay. AC corresponds to FD and BC corresponds to AD. Isn't it? Then corresponding angles. Okay. Angle A corresponds to angle F. Angle B corresponds to angle E. And angle C corresponds to angle D. Look at the symbol. Then write down the corresponding sides as well as corresponding angles. So according to these sides and angles, we can write down triangle ABC is congruent to, note down the symbol, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, or triangle BCA is congruent to triangle EDF. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Dear students, keep in mind that order is very important when naming two congruent triangles. Okay, now see two triangles. Again, we have to identify their corresponding parts. Corresponding sides, first we have to identify. Look both the figures. Okay, so the side GS in the first triangle corresponds to which side? Side KR in the second triangle, because GS and KR both are equal to 10 units. Similarly, the side GP corresponds to the side FR. Then finally, the side PS corresponds to side KF. Okay. Then note down the corresponding angles. Look at the symbol, then write. Angle G corresponds to angle R. Okay. Angle S corresponds to angle K. Then angle P corresponds to angle F. So we noted corresponding sides as well as corresponding angles. And therefore, how can I name these two congruent triangles? Triangle GSP is congruent to triangle RKF. Okay. I repeat, triangle GSP is congruent to triangle RKF. Okay then students, I will be given two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So here your duty is to name the congruent triangles according their sides. Okay, sides are given. Look at the measurements. As per this measurement, you have to note down what are the congruent triangles. In the next session, I will ask to you what are these congruent triangles. Okay, then just recall what we learned in this session. We learned how to define congruency of two triangles. So congruency means same size as well as same shape. Okay. So in the next session, we will discuss about some conditions for congruency of triangles. A test paper is given. You have to attend the test paper. Notes are there. Copy down all the things in a notebook and then study well. Okay. Stay home. Be safe and be happy always. See you soon. Thank you all.